I'm going to show how to buy shares of Ls Telcom AG. Ls Telcom develops radio network planning and spectrum management solutions and trades on Xetra under the ticker LSX.DE. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker LSX.DE to find the listing. Select the result that shows Ls Telcom AG on Xetra to ensure it is the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Ls Telcom AG. Verify the exchange is Xetra and the ticker reads LSX.DE before proceeding. Click the Buy or Invest button. Enter the amount you wish to allocate. Review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set to execute when trading resumes. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. A link to eToro is in the video description if you want to follow the same process.